Hey guys, what's going on? So in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get this insane working Domino's pizza hack. So this will give you free pizza. What it is it's free points on the Domino's app. So this is the modded Domino's app. So you see this button right here, you press it and it says mod menu and you can add 100,000 points. So I'm going to press unlock, and as you can see, it should add the points to my Domino's app. So let's see if it goes through, and then we should have free food. So let's see what happens. All right, it says devising tokens. Okay, so let's see. All right, 100,000 points activated. All right, so as you can see, the points are actually increasing. That is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited points for free, guys. No jailbreak, and you can actually get free pizza because you can get unlimited points. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So to download this, you just want to go, I believe the website is matrixmods.com. All right, so I'm not sure if it's on here though, so just bear with me. Yeah, so it's actually on tweakmod.com. Sorry about that. But anyway, I can't type, so I typed in tweskmod, which is obviously not gonna help us. But here we are on tweakmod, so I'm gonna type in Domino's, press install. So this is the mod, obviously, and before it downloads, there is going to be one more step. So this is the verification step. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and then follow the instructions, which are 100% free from the official app store, and this should get you the free pizza modded app. Or it's not really just pizza, but it lets you get unlimited points on Domino's. So let's see what happens if this actually works. So as you can see, it is loading right now. So yeah, we'll just let it load, and then we just gotta download 2 of these apps and we should be all set. So as you can see, it says missing files, so I just gotta download like 2 of them. Some of these game ones might take too long, like you have to reach level 9, but like this Underdog Fantasy, you just have to download and run it for 30 seconds. And then Scanner app, you gotta search something up and then download the specific app. So there's tons of these guys, so one of them should work for you. And also if you're in another country, they might be different, so don't get mad if you see different apps from the video.